As a nutritionist, I make sure to eat certain foods every single day that help me feel more energized, keep my brain sharp, and stabilize my blood glucose levels. So today, I want to share with you 10 of those foods that are actually all part of my breakfast, as I tend to use the same base and add different flavors for variety. I have found that starting my day with these ingredients sets me on the right track for the day, and combined with intermittent fasting, helps me prevent snacking and cravings. My name is Claudia, I hold a master's degree in nutrition, and I help busy women in their 40s to make healthy eating easy. Yogurt. First on the list is one of my favorite foods, especially since I moved to Bulgaria. It's my main daily source of probiotics, which help keep my gut healthy, boost my immune system, and reduce inflammation in my body. Additionally, yogurt is a high-quality protein, rich in calcium, vitamins B2 and B12. Living in Bulgaria, it's very easy to get good quality unsweetened yogurts made from different types of milk. So I alternate between buying sheep, goat, and cow yogurt, and sometimes also buffalo yogurt. They all come in different flavors and consistencies, and contain varied amount of protein, calories, and nutrients. So to keep things interesting, I like to mix two different types of yogurts with my breakfast. I typically eat about half a cup or around 130 grams daily, which I add to my overnight oats. The protein in yogurt is an important part of my breakfast and helps prevent snacking and cravings throughout the day. In addition, I really appreciate that the website where I usually purchase my groceries online makes it clear which yogurts comes from a local farm. And these are also the yogurts that often come in glass jars. So I'm grateful for the freedom to choose a local product that offer an opportunity to reduce plastic. Chia seeds. There have been numerous studies demonstrating the health benefits of chia seeds. In 2019, an overview was published analyzing many of the studies, confirming that chia seeds are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Chia seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber can help improve digestion and lower blood sugar, while insoluble fiber can soften stool, making it easier to pass. Additionally, chia seeds contain flavonoids like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and caffeic acid, which have been proven to have anti-carcinogenic and neuroprotective effects. Chia seeds are a rich source of nutrients, such as polyunsaturated omega-3 fatty acids, that protect against inflammation, improve cognitive performance, and lower cholesterol levels. They also contain antioxidant compounds, and together with a high amount of fiber, they can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart attack, and may offer protection against disorders such as diabetes, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. I like to use chia seeds by adding about 1 tablespoon to my overnight oats. Flax seeds. Flax seeds, like chia seeds, are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. To release their soluble fiber, it's preferable to soak the flax seeds before consuming them. They also contain lignans, which may help reduce the risk of breast cancer. Additionally, flax seeds are an excellent source of alpha-linoleic acids, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. They have also been shown to reduce constipation and increase the gut microbiome diversity. I buy them crushed as it improves nutrient absorption, especially from the omega-3 fatty acids, and I store them in the freezer to avoid their acidity. I add about 1 tablespoon daily to my overnight oats. Pumpkin pie spice. Pumpkin pie spice is my favorite spice blend, which I use daily by adding it to my oats. It contains several spices including cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves, all of which are packed with antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, while ginger has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Nutmeg and cloves also contain anti-inflammatory compounds. It's not easy to find pumpkin pie spice here in Europe, so I make my own using this recipe here. And another great thing about this spice blend is that it counts as 4 plant-based foods, which helps me reach my goal of consuming 30 or plus plant-based foods weekly for a healthier gut. Oats. As previously mentioned, I add all these ingredients to my overnight oats. So let's now talk about oats and why I eat it daily. Oats are an excellent source of fiber, especially the soluble fiber beta-glucan. Studies have shown that this fiber can reduce elevated blood cholesterol levels, thereby lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease, as well as lowering blood pressure. Oats are also a source of high-quality plant-based protein, and together with their fiber and carbs content, provide long-lasting energy throughout the day. In addition, is one of the few plants rich in phospholipids, which is a way to replenish our reserves of brain essential fats. The numerous nutrients in oats and the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects can help optimize the immune system and response to infections, including cold, flu viruses, and other pathogens. There are many types of oats available, but it's recommended to buy the less processed organic rolled oats. I consume about 2 tablespoons daily. Eggs. Moving on to more sources of protein, eggs are definitely a staple in my daily diet. They are an excellent source of healthy fats as well as vitamin D and B12. Eggs also contain choline, a substance used by the brain for memorization and learning from experience. Additionally, eggs provide complete protein, a wide range of vitamins and minerals, and even disease-fighting antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Eggs are the richest source of choline, a water-soluble vitamin that the brain uses to manufacture the acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is crucial for memory, learning, arousal, and rewards. I break my fast every day with 1 hard-boiled egg, which helps to avoid a glucose spike and keeps me feeling full for longer. I use an egg boiler to prepare 6 at once and then store them already peeled in the fridge. This makes it extremely easy to have one each day. Green tea. Green tea is widely regarded as one of the healthiest beverages in the world. Epidemiological and animal studies have suggested that the daily consumption of green tea catechins can help suppress age-related cognitive decline. In addition, catechins can help fight oxidative stress in the body and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. The theanine and arginine in green tea have been shown to have an excellent stress-reducing effect. They can also suppress the shortening of lifespan and deterioration in cognitive function caused by stress. To make my green tea, I use a 1-liter thermos, but I only use the quantity of tea I would use for half a liter. I buy organic loose-leaf green tea and use a stainless steel filter. Sometimes I like to switch things up by adding fresh ginger, star anise, cloves, or cardamom to change the flavor. Fruits. I add 1 piece or portion of fruits in my oats every day. Fruits are rich in fiber and various nutrients, and they taste great. Most of the year, I have an unpeeled red apple. As the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. According to a study, the consumption of apples, which are rich in a variety of free and easily absorbable flavonoids, is associated with a decreased risk of various diseases. Moreover, studies have shown that apple peels contain the highest content in phenolic compounds, antioxidant activity, and anti-proliferative activity in red apples. To maintain variety in my diet, I sometimes switch to a different type of apple or have a pear instead. I may also mix half an apple with blueberries. During the summer season, I prefer to choose other seasonal fruits like nectarines. Occasionally, I eat fruit after my meals. More rarely, I have it as a snack together with some nuts or nut butters. Goji berries. Goji berries are a type of superfood that is packed with nutrients. They are rich in fiber, protein, and vitamin A and C. Goji berries are also high in antioxidants, which helps alleviate oxidative stress and confer many health protective benefits such as preventing free radicals from damaging DNA, lipids, and proteins. Some studies have shown that goji berries may help to improve immune function and reduce the risk of cancer. Goji berries may also help to reduce inflammation and improve blood sugar control. Personally, I add about 1 teaspoon daily to my oats. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is a great source of protein and is high in antioxidants and vitamin B3 and E. It may also help to reduce the risk of heart disease and promote weight loss. Peanuts contain the essential amino acid phenylalanine, which produces the amino acid tyrosine. Tyrosine is then broken down to produce dopamine, a neurotransmitter responsible for reward-motivated behavior, movement control, and cravings. When purchasing peanut butter, I make sure to buy organic peanut butter made only from peanuts, and I store it in the fridge. Guess what? It's another ingredient that I add to my oats. Usually about 1 tablespoon of it. I also use it as a snack every once in a while or whenever I feel like having some fruits after a meal or as a snack, as this helps to reduce a potential glucose spike. Let me know in the comments if you're really consuming any of these foods. And if you're looking for new recipe ideas, you may want to check out this video here for a quick no-cook lunch for energy and focus. If you're new to my channel and want to make healthy eating easy, be sure to subscribe right here for new videos every Sunday. If you're interested in working one-on-one with me, check out the link I left in the description box. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Peanuts contain the essential amino acid phenylalanine.
Phenylalanine.
Phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. Phenylalanine.